Here is a fun fact about Internet of Things. It is estimated that by the end of the year 2025, there will be around 25 billion devices registered, which is, I guess, around 8 to 9 devices per person on the whole earth. Internet of Things, a term that is in trend in today's technological world. So I'm Deepak Kumar and I work as a Monster developer at Ely IT Solutions, and I'll be walking you through what is the main use of Internet of Things and how edge computing plays a vital role in it. Basically, what Internet of Things means that making your smart devices and smart appliances connect to each other. So basically, a wireless sensor or a signal is used to send data from one device to another, so that all your activities and all your progresses and all your schedules can be tracked. Like for example, when we walk into a room and we can just say lights on and the system will turn on the lights. So we can train the model that whenever I enter the room, the light should be automatically turned on. So this is a very basic example of how Internet of Things work and what is the role of edge computing in it. The main concept of edge computing is that, let's just suppose that we are storing all our data in cloud systems. If we send our data every time an action is performed on a device or a smart device, like for example, I say that please turn on the light. So the system will send all the data to the cloud technology, and then it will wait for that response that the cloud server sends back to it. And upon getting that response, only it will be able to perform an action. So this basically creates a lot of delay between the action and the command taker. So to reduce this particular delay, we use edge computing. What basically edge computing does is it enables the system or the smart device to perform action on its own, so that it doesn't have to wait for any authentication or any response from the cloud server to perform an action. Nowadays, we know that we are moving towards electrical vehicles and automated vehicles, which do not require a driver to drive the car. So the main concept of that particular feature, which is implemented in cars, it uses a V2V functionality, which is vehicle to vehicle, which basically does what is that it sends signal from one vehicle to another to calculate the real-time distance between one vehicle and the another vehicle on the road, and it also calculates the distance between vehicle to pedestrian, vehicle to infrastructure, so that it can maintain a particular lane, and it can also switch lanes or overtake whenever is required. So all this information requires a very fast response, and we cannot rely on cloud computing because in these type of scenarios, even a millisecond can cause a lot of delay. This is where edge computing comes into play. Another example I would like to give about Internet of Things is that nowadays every person uses a smartwatch. So basically, what is the feature of that smartwatch? It basically sends real-time data and stores all information about your body, your heart rate, your stress level, your blood oxygen level, and it basically uses that level to track that whether a person is fit or he might have some illness or a serious disease might be incoming. So it uses real-time data to analyze a person's health, and it sends all the data into a particular database server. It stores there and it compares all the previous data to the current data. We all know that we have heard a lot of instances that Apple Watch saved a person's life by sending emergency signals to the hospital and alerting them that you might be having a heart attack or you might be having any other illness. So this is also one of the example of how Internet of Things is affecting our lives and how it plays a very vital role in it. Another example we can consider is that nowadays many showroom and many warehouses are also using a particular technology where as soon as a customer enters the showroom, they will use AI and IoT sensors to automatically examine the nature, the age, the gender of a particular customer. So let's just say that a millennial or a 20-year boy enters the showroom and he directly goes to the snacks corner. So the system will automatically analyze that yes, this person is more willingly to buy snacks. So he will be customizing all the banners and all the ads that are surrounding the particular user, and they will be showcasing all the new products that are into the market so that a particular customer can be attracted to that. So this is also one of the examples where how AI and IoT is using real-time data transform and show more real-time suggestions to customers. Some features available of edge computing and IoT, which are more reliable, which makes it more reliable. Like if we look at low latency mode, it is one of the greatest feature of edge computing. This basically helps in reducing the gap between sending real-time data to the cloud servers and then waiting for the response to perform an action. Nowadays, devices are self-trained so that they can perform any action on their own. Like room temperature system can automatically adjust and monitor the room temperature based on a particular user's requirement. So in this way, nowadays, all the smart devices and applications are helping in making rooms as well as cities dynamic and more smarter than they were ever before. So it wouldn't be wrong to say that we are basically surrounded by Internet of Things and edge computing. And the main concept that is upcoming in the near future is that AI integrating with Internet of Things. It is a concept that is awaited by a lot of people, and I'm also excited about the same. So I guess we are all familiar with Internet of Things and how it is impacting our lives. Now let's talk about what is the future of Internet of Things. What is the future we can expect and how technology can be used to transform our lives. So you might have heard about these, but let me just tell you, there are a lot of features already implementing in a lot of countries, like in China and South Korea. A lot of Internet of Things functionality have been implemented, varying from waste management to smart traffic management and also smart infrastructure. They can use sensors and real-time devices that will track and monitor the health of the road. Let's just say that I want to make a warehouse smart. So how do I do that? I will make smart shelves that will, on real time count all the products that are available in a shelf. And as soon as all the products reaches a particular rate, let's just say that now there are only 2 products remaining. So it will automatically send a signal to the manager of the warehouse that this particular shelf is being emptied and it needs to be refilled. So these type of technologies are helping a day-to-day life user to make more realistic actions. Here is a fun fact about Internet of Things. It is estimated that by the end of the year 2025, there will be around 25 billion devices registered, which is, I guess, around 8 to 9 devices per person on the whole earth. At Alia IT Solutions, we provide real-time solutions to all these type of business ideas and problems so that you can convert your business into a reality. Along with that, we also provide edge-to-edge solutions and real-time tracking systems. You can also keep in track of how things are implemented, what all things are being done, and what is in progress. And we also provide 24/7 customer support options so that you never have to face anything. If you are facing anything, just give us a call and we'll handle it. So, are you ready to take your business to a next level? Make sure you subscribe to Alia IT Solutions channel and press the bell icon so that we can connect and discuss a lot about these.